a hen. It is a hen. We can see the hen. A hen can eat. The hen can go. A hen can see. She is up. See her go on. It is my hen. We can eat the egg of a hen. Short you. The bull. My dad got a bull. It came in a bus. The bull is big. The bull can run. The bull can hop. The bull like buns. I like my bull. Short eye. The sad pig. I can see a man dig. The man can dig. He dug up a pit. In the pit is a pig. In a bin is pig is sad. It has a pin in its butt. My body. I have a mouth. I have a nose. I have 2 eyes. I have 2 ears. I have 2 legs. I have 2 feet. Book. Books have words and pictures. We read books to learn new things and go on adventures. Books can be fiction or non-fiction. Cat on a mat. The cat is on the mat. It is fat. It has a hat. It saw a rat on the mat. The rat is fat. It sat near the cat.
Ayun na. Bye-bye.
Bye.